PSTET aspirants, welcome to our YouTube channel, Sidana Institute of Education, Amritsar. That is a platform for you people to help you in the best possible way to crack the TET exams. As you know, Teacher Eligibility Test, TET exam is the basic condition for getting the government job. So, through our channel, we will help you completely and with full determination for the CTET Central Teacher Eligibility Test and for the PSTET Punjab State Teacher Eligibility Test. So follow our channel, subscribe it and share the videos maximum so that others can also have the benefit of the same. As you know, this lockdown time has stopped many activities, but on the other side it has also provided us the ample time to utilize it in the best possible way. So keeping in mind that thing, we have provided you the opportunity to utilize your time in the best possible way, and for that this channel is started to be completely in your service. With full determination and dedication, we will definitely let you to make your dreams come true through our endless efforts. So you don't worry about the exams, you will be provided each and everything that is definitely there in the exams. Now you must be thinking that what is the difference between getting it prepared or preparing the test from the books that are available in the market and preparing from the YouTube videos and all that. The main difference is that in the books you have a lot of stuff written over there and you have to spend a lot of time in categorizing those things, and through our channel, through our videos, we will provide you with the pointed out material. I would like to say only one thing, that nothing is impossible if you make it a dream and puts yourself on a track that leads to your destination. So utilizing our own experience of cracking these exams, we will help you to follow the same path that we followed to crack these exams. So let's begin with our journey. I am here to start your science session. First of all, we will just have an introduction about the syllabus, about the pattern of the paper in the science, and then we will start with the particular stuff, particular material or particular questions that are there in the exams, and we will follow the questions that have been appearing many times in the previous exams and that are probable to come in the next exams also. So let's start with our science session. We will start with the science portion, and the things that we will follow in this portion are usable for the PSTET also and for the CTET also. So first of all, we will have this introduction about the syllabus and the pattern of the paper. So for the science session, you will have two types of sections that are not separately mentioned in as sections. You will in total have total 30 questions. You will have total 30 questions from science portion. So from that, your 20 questions will be from the scientific concepts or the science chapters that are there in the, from 6th to 8th for the secondary level, and from 1st to 5th for the elementary level. So these are the chapters that are there in the syllabus of the CTET and PSTET science portion. Now what are the chapters, what are the units? That is about the food, that is about the natural phenomena that are occurring. And what are those natural phenomena? About the cyclones, earthquakes, about the electric fields, about the magnetic fields, all those natural phenomena. And materials of daily use. You can say you can have the polymers, their uses, all those things that are there in the science portion. Natural resources, about the coal, petroleum, LPG, CNG, gases, about the resources that we use for energy and all those. Now next is the world of living. In the world of living, we will consider each and everything from humans to animals to microorganisms, each and everything about the processes occurring in different living organisms, each and everything will be discussed. Next is the moving things, people and ideas. Moving things, people and ideas. People and ideas means some of the greatest persons, like great personalities like the Vasco da Gama, for what purpose he is known, uh, yeah, the year of his success, and all those things will be considered in that. Electric currents and magnets. So these are the units, main units that will be there in the science portion, and there will be sub chapters under these units. So this portion will be of 20 marks. 20 marks questions will be from these units. Now next 10 marks questions. Total paper will be of 30 marks. 20 marks questions will be from these units. Now next 10 marks paper will be from the pedagogical issues. Now what are pedagogical issues? You know, there are different teaching subjects. Some may have chosen the social science and Punjabi, others may have chosen the science and maths or whatever. So whatever your teaching subject is, if here we are talking about the science, it means we will discuss about the issues about the teaching of science. टीचिंग ऑफ साइंस के इश्यूज मीन्स कि स्कूल्स में साइंस के क्या क्या इश्यूज प्रिवेलेंट हैं दीज डेज स्टूडेंट्स, लाइक इसमें आपको ये पूछा जाएगा कि हाउ अ टीचर शुड टीच दिस टॉपिक. सपोज यू हैव द टॉपिक ऑफ मटेरियल्स ऑफ डेली यूज, तो विच इज़ द बेस्ट पॉसिबल वे, विच इज़ द बेस्ट पॉसिबल मेथड दैट टीचर शुड यूज़. और सपोज आपको ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ जाता है कि टीचर जो है उसने बच्चों को अबाउट द नेचुरल फिनोमिना जो है वो बच्चों को इंट्रोड्यूस करना है, तो व्हाट इज़ द बेस्ट मेथड कि बच्चों को डिस्कशन कराए, बच्चों को फील्ड विजिट पे लेके जाए, बच्चों को बुक्स रीडिंग करने दे. मीन्स यू विल हैव डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस. दीज आर कंसिडर्ड अंडर पैडागोजिकल इश्यूज. मीन्स टीचिंग के क्या इश्यूज हैं उनको कैसे सॉल्व किया जा सकता है. सो दिस पार्ट विल कंटेन द इश्यूज ऑफ टीचिंग साइंस. Now the next is, this was just the introduction of the syllabus कि आपके कौन से यूनिट्स हैं सिलेबस में, आपके इश्यूज़ क्या हैं पेडागोजी के. दिस विल बी ऑफ 10 marks and total paper will be of 30 marks. And I assure you that जो प्रेपरेशन हम आपको करवाएंगे, you will definitely be able to get good marks. And I can surely say that full marks out in your science portion in the TET exam. So from all these units, we'll follow them one by one. We are going to start with the world of living. As I told you that there will be sub chapters in these units. So it means if we are starting the world of living, there are many portions or many sub parts. But today, under these units, we are going to consider the part health and diseases and microorganisms. This is a sub part or sub chapter of your unit, the living world or the world of living. So we are going to start with health and diseases and microorganisms chapter. First of all, we will start with the microorganisms, and then after that we will be considering the part of health and diseases also. So हेल्थ एंड डिसीजेज में आपका आएगा कि माइक्रोब्स क्या हैं. माइक्रोब्स आर द ऑर्गेनिजम्स दैट कैन बी सीन ओनली अंडर माइक्रोस्कोप. मीन्स दे आर टू स्मॉल टू बी सीन विद द नेक्ड आइज. माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स वो हैं जिनको हम सिर्फ माइक्रोस्कोप के अंडर ही देख सकते हैं. सो दे आर कॉल्ड माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स और दे कैन बी कॉल्ड एज माइक्रोब्स ऑल्सो. नाउ अंडर द क्लासिफिकेशन पार्ट, नाउ आपका इसमें क्वेश्चन क्या आ सकता है कि सपोज यू आर गिवन द 4 ऑप्शंस and you are asked that which one of the following is not categorized as microorganism or microbe. So you must have the knowledge that how these microorganisms are classified. There are 5 categories: bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoa and virus. Bacteria are unicellular. Unicellular means single celled. Unicellular means single celled. Single celled चीज़ें वो होती हैं that are made up of only one cell. And fungi are multicellular. Multicellular means they are made up of many cells. जैसे हम human beings हैं, we are not made up of only one cell, we are made up of many cells. बस इसमें एक exception है that which fungi is not multicellular, तो वो fungi आपकी होगी yeast. Similarly algae. Algae भी multicellular होती हैं और the main point is that algae are considered under autotrophs. What are autotrophs? That make their own food as green plants. जो अपना फूड खुद प्रिपेयर करते हैं उनको हम बोलते हैं ऑटोट्रॉफ्स एंड एल्गे. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज दैट which category of microbes are considered as autotrophs? So that is algae. And what are protozoa? Protozoa are unicellular. And viruses. The fifth category under the classification of microbes is virus. What is a virus? Virus is actually not considered under the category of living organisms or living beings. It's just made up of DNA और RNA kind of material जिसके आसपास जो है एक प्रोटीन की लेयर होती है. So what you need to remember for the viruses is that they reproduce inside the cells of host organism. वायरस जो है ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है, ये जो कॉम्पोजिशन है, ये क्या करते हैं कि जब किसी ऑर्गेनिज्म के कांटेक्ट में आते हैं, किसी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म के कांटेक्ट में आते हैं, दे मल्टीप्लाई देमसेल्व्स. मल्टीप्लाई देमसेल्व्स मींस वहां पे ये रिप्रोड्यूस करते हैं. रिप्रोड्यूस का मतलब यहाँ पे है कि दे इंक्रीज इन नंबर. वैसे वायरसेस इनएक्टिव होते हैं बट व्हेन दे कम इन कांटेक्ट विद द बॉडी ऑफ एनी होस्ट ऑर्गेनिज्म और लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म दे बिकम एक्टिव. तो जब ये एक्टिव होते हैं only then they perform their function, otherwise they are inactive. One example of the viruses is HIV, and now you are very much familiar with the most frequent prevalent, that is coronavirus. So यही फैक्ट है वायरसेस का कि किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म के कांटेक्ट में आते ही ये एक्टिव हो जाते हैं एंड दे मल्टीप्लाई देमसेल्व्स. सो ये था हमारा classification of the microbes. Microbes are also useful for us and also harmful for us. So इनकी यूजफुलनेस और हार्मफुल क्यों है ये चीज़ें हम करेंगे इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो. सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द चैनल फॉर मोर वीडियोस. थैंक यू वेरी मच.